Good morning students, welcome to computer class. In this lesson we are going to learn chapter 1 Introduction to Computer. This chapter is common for both computer application and computer science. What is the abbreviation of computer? Anyone know? Okay. Common operating machine particularly used for trade, education and research. Who is the father of computer? Yes, Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is considered as the father of computer. Who invented analytical engine? In the year 1837, this analytical engine contains ALU, basic flow control and integrated memory. We will see about computer definition. A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve and process data. You may already know that you can use a computer to type documents, send emails, play games and browse the web. We should know what are the basic physical components of computer. The main basic component are this is a monitor, it is an output unit and it displays something to user. It is a keyboard. It is an input unit through which to give instant instruction to the computer. This is a mouse. With mouse also input we can give to store the computer. This one we called it as CPU, Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer. All the processes are done within the CPU. What are the things within the CPU? First one, motherboard. This board is called as motherboard. It consists of many circuits and all the components are connected to this motherboard. Hard disk. This is called as hard disk. This is the storage device. It should be permanently stored. DVD burner. This is the DVD burner. DVD create and play, it will help it. Power supply. That is power supply. It should be provided power from computer. RAM, random access memory. This one is called as RAM. Currently stored or called temporary storage unit. Heat sink and fan. This fan will be push out the heat. It will be use the less heat of the computer. CPU. This is the central processing unit. This is the brain of computer. It control all the unit of the computer. This one is called as processor. Video card. This one is called video card. It will some graphic code animation to play it. So these are the basic thing how to know about the computer. Fundamental of computer. Synapses. First we see about computer. To learn about various generation of computer, the generation will step by step process it. To understand the basic operation of computer, to know the component and their function, its parts and function. To know about booting of the computer, the process of booting, starting a computer, switch it on. Father of computer. First we see the analytical engine after the various generation of computer. Charles Babbage is considered as a father of computer. ALU, arithmetic logical unit. Arithmetic means basic maths like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And logic means basic flow control, 1-to-1 flow control. Who invented the analytical engine? Charles Babbage. The analytical engine provided to concept of computer. Next we are moving to introduction to computer. Computer are seen everywhere around us in all spaces of life. In the field of education, research, travel and tourism. Weather forecasting. What is mean by forecasting? It means weather predict, social networking, interacting people with the help of websites like Facebook, Twitter. These are the social networking. E-commerce, buying and selling through online. For example, Amazon, Flipkart is called e-commerce. In day-to-day life, computer very important role used in various parts. Computer have now become an indispensable parts of our life. Computer have our life with their accurate and speed of performing a job. It is truly remarkable. People life computer will very important because computer has accurate data. It will be no more mistake and speed. It has 1,000 times speed more than human. Computer is more important to their human life. Today, no organization can function without a computer. In fact, various organizations have become paperless nowadays to write paper on the data. But nowadays, all the information stored in only a computer. For example, before 3 years, school bill are written in the paper, but today all the information are only done by the computer. Computer have evolved over the year from the simple calculating device to high-speed portable computer. So, first calculating device computer further or developed additional features added to it. The growth of computer industry started with the need of performing fast calculation. The manual method of computing was slow and proved the error. So attachments were made to develop fast calculating device. The journey started from the first non-calculating device abacus, which has led us today to an extremely high-speed calculating device. It should human manually do some work. It should cause some mistake and time delay. So human can need a machine. It can fast and do not have mistake. Thank you.